In this video today we will see how to count the number of unique values in an Excel. Now in this case I have a column A here where I have written some names, and there is a name which is repeating 3 times. This one time, second time, third time. So if I just want to count only how many unique values are there, then what I will do is I have two options here. The first one is I will select this column, go to remove duplicate, and then I will select the column from where I want to count the unique values. So it's column A. Okay, so what does this do is it will remove all the duplicate value. Now if I select and if I check here, I can see there are 5 unique values. This is one way and this is the easiest way. Now let me show you the other way. In this case we have to use a function equals to sum product. So this will add the unique values. 1 divide by count if. 1 means it will count only the unique values. Then I will again open a bracket and then I will select the range, then comma, that will be the range. Now criteria, again it will be the same from A1 to A7. Then I will close the bracket. I have opened 2 brackets here, so I have to close 2 times and then enter. Now this also shows that I have 5 unique values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this method will work for text as well as for numbers. Now let me go to this number, sum product 1, that means unique value, divide by count if, and then I will select the range from C1 to C5, and criteria also will be from C1 to C5. And then since I had opened 2 bracket, I will close 2 bracket, enter. So there are 3 unique values, 1, 2, 3, and these 2 are repeating. So in this way you will be able to find out how many unique values are there in an Excel.